Okay, so I'm here with Jim at Convergence. Jim, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Jim Wenninger, the CEO of WennSoft, and we write applications for field service organizations to really go through and provide services out in the field. So if you think about our CRM-based application evolution, we take things like a case, and when a case can't be resolved in the call center, we go out into the field and we dispatch and schedule people out into the field to resolve those issues. Whether it be that they have to bring tools, equipment, parts, those type of things, whether we're going to invoice or it's under a maintenance contract, whether it's an asset that needs to be maintained, or just a facility that needs maintenance or break fix, like HVAC, elevators, those type of things. So it's really the idea that we have a mobile application out in the field, bringing the data to the technician, giving him all of the information on the asset, and then collecting all the information to bring it back and to invoice out of CRM.
Excellent. So you're saying the whole solution is built on top of Dynamics CRM?
Well, one of our solutions is built on Dynamics CRM, and the other one's built on Dynamics GP.
Yeah.
The GP product has been around for over 20 years. The Evolution product, obviously with CRM being newer, is a newer product and has been out in the marketplace for just about a year now.
Excellent. So what type of mobile platforms does it operate on?
So it works on the iOS, the Android, and the Windows platform, and it works on tablets, PCs, and smartphones.
Wow.
And the way that we do that is we want to work the way that the techs do. So we go through and provide one license with the use of 3 devices.
Wow.
So if a tech wants to use a laptop in his truck, climb up a ladder and get someplace, pull out his smartphone, take a picture, look up some tasks that he should do, maybe capture a customer's signature, synchronize, and go back and work on his laptop, he has that flexibility to go back and forth, and it's a store and forward application. A lot of our customers in Australia are in what we would call the outback, right? They're out in the middle of nowhere, so they have to be able to work offline just like they were connected.
Excellent. So I take it when they come back into an environment where they can go online, it syncs and transfers that data back to the service.
Actually, it gives us 3 different ways to connect. We can go through and use a Wi-Fi connection, so we can use a customer's network. We can go through and use cellular, or we can actually download things into a packet and actually send it in to be uploaded into the system.
Okay, fantastic. So what type of industries do you commonly see the product used in?
The most common seem to be facilities management, oil and gas, mine site services, and then a lot of what we would call just generic field service. If you think about when you go down the street and you see all those service vans, right? And you see them with somebody's name about service of this, whether it be AV, fire protection, HVAC, plumbing, pest control, data networks, security, all those different areas, those are all potential customers. Where we really shine is the customers that actually take care and manage assets in addition to needing that field service application.
Excellent, excellent. So the actual user experience on the device, is it something you can configure to suit your organization?
Actually, the interesting thing about it is our mobile device has a modifier type tool called Woodford that goes through and allows us to go through and customize the app. If you're an inspector, you get an inspector's view. If you're actually the repairman, you get the repairman's view. If you have different divisions of your company, those different divisions can have different look and feel. And on the CRM platform, we have the ability to add custom entities or add fields to an entity and drag them through that tool out to the mobile device. So it's very customizable for the way the end user wants to see it.
Excellent. So in closing, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, I think we have a big base of customers in Australia, and we have a great partner channel. And if people have any interest, they can certainly go to WennSoft.com, and we'd love to give them more information and certainly have them talk to our Australian partners.
Excellent. Thanks very much.